What will happen when two black holes collide and submerge into one big black hole? Is that even possible? So let's penetrate the bizarre into a subtle logic. That's what we do in our scientific facts. Before getting into the topic, we need to understand few things like what even a black hole is and how do they come into the existence. A black hole is a space where gravitational pull is as much high even the light cannot escape. It has high gravitational pull because the matter has been squeezed into a tiny space, like squeezing a mountain into an atom. There are three types of black holes. The smallest black hole can be as small as an atom. Even these atom-sized black holes can have the mass as much as a mountain does. Don't underestimate a black hole by its size though. Scientists believe that small black holes come into the existence when the universe did. The big black hole is called stellar and its mass can be up to 20 times the sun. Stellar black holes formed when the center of a very big star falls in upon itself or collapses in itself, and when it happens, it causes a supernova. A supernova is an exploding star that blasts part of the star into the space. The very big black holes are called supermassive, and a supermassive black hole have mass more than 1 million suns together. Supermassive black holes were made at the same time as the galaxy they are in. Every large galaxy contains a supermassive black hole at its center, and guess what? We have one at the center of our Milky Way as well, which is called Sagittarius A. It has a mass equal to 4 million suns together. That means it can swallow at least a few million Earths. When two black holes merge together, they radiate immense amount of energy in the form of light and gravitational wave. Scientists calculate the difference between the time of observance of gravitational field and first seen light after the explosion of two black holes. Then, by studying the data, they find the masses of two black holes and the distance of them from us. In a recent disclosure, scientists found that two black holes get merged into a big black hole. In the merger, the primary object, that is the heavier one, had a mass 23.2 times the mass of the Sun, and the secondary object, that is the smaller one, had a mass about 2.6 times the Sun's mass. The pair joined together to form a large black hole of mass 2.6 times the Sun's mass and radiated 0.2 solar mass. They said that the primary object was a black hole, but secondary object is still in doubt because it's too light to be a black hole and too heavy to be a neutron star. So, are we safe from these heavy monsters? Can our Earth will ever be swallowed by them? It looks like these black hole monsters swallow everything when they are on hunt. Well, don't worry, you are not going to get into one cause our Earth is safe. But how? Black holes are not predators like the predators we think of, which goes around in space for hunting and swallowing the stars, planets and moons. Even if they do so, still we'll be on the safe side cause no black hole is close enough to our galaxy. What if the Sun itself converts into a black hole? What will happen then? Suppose if the Sun falls in itself and become a black hole, yet we'll be safe and will not fall into this black hole. The same mass black hole would have the same gravitational pull as the Sun had, and guess what? Earth and other planets will orbit the new black hole as they orbit the Sun. The only problem is that you don't have access to the light anymore. After all, a black hole is black. But you don't need to give a thought to this situation, cause the Sun is not big enough to turn into a black hole, and it will never turn into a black hole.
If you are a science geek, then this is the right place for you. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos. Do like and share the video as well.